Mulching. Mulching is one of those wonderful things that does multiple things simultaneously. It's as if you hired a house cleaner who changed the oil for your car, painted the house, and washed the windows for free. Some of the things mulch does for you and your garden includes protecting your soil from eroding in heavy rains, hiding drip irrigation and low voltage lighting lines, and protecting them from sunlight deterioration, insulating the soil from extreme temperatures, protecting marginal plants from frost damage, and preventing soil cracking in full sun. It helps the soil retain 25% more water, discourages weed seeds from germinating by blocking light. If you spread bark right after rototilling, see previous chapter, you may eliminate 50% of your weeds before they even germinate. It adds color, contrast to green leaves. Makes things look neater by adding a uniform texture. It provides food for worms and microorganisms as it breaks down. It minimizes soil compaction, and as a result of foot traffic and as a result of heavy rains. There are many types of mulches. As long as it is organic and free of weed seed and not rich in nitrogen, it will do the things stated above. I typically use a shredded redwood, sometimes called gorilla hair, when on a steep slope. This is because it will not wash away. On flat areas, I use the smallest bark, sometimes called microbark, other times ground cover bark in bags, or quarter-inch fir, because it lets in less air and you don't have to apply as much to get the same weed blocking effectiveness as you would a larger chunk bark. Most Marin gardens are small, so I also like the fact that by using a small-sized bark, it reduces the sense of scale that the eye is relating to, which makes other things in a small garden look bigger. For all of these reasons, one of the most important things you can do as preventative maintenance is to mulch. After you have established a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, adding 1 inch of mulch every year will keep things looking and smelling fresh. As mulch biodegrades at a rate of approximately 1 inch per year, this will maintain your mulch cover indefinitely. American Soils in San Rafael is one place to get a wide variety of mulches, including microbark. Home Depot and other stores have bark by the bag. I mentioned Osh in the book, but they're just closing this fall.